In this video, we'll be telling about Google Flags. This is very interesting settings in Google Chrome application. Using these settings, you can enable so many interesting features. By default, you cannot see these features in your Google Chrome application. For this, first part we need to do is open Google Chrome application. After opening Google Chrome, what you need to do is in search bar, enter this site address. Chrome Flags. This address is given in the description. You can copy this address from there. Here you can see a page like this. Here it is written experiments. That means this feature is under experiment. Some features here may come to our normal settings. But if you want to test these features now only, you can do that. Here so many features are there. You can check out these features. For example, let me show you one feature. Search for biometric. When you're searching for biometric, you can see biometric re-auth for password filling. By default, this is turned off. What you need to do is click on default and you need to enable this. After that, here you can see relaunch option. Click on relaunch. When you are clicking on that, Google Chrome will be relaunched. After this, in your smartphone, there will be autofill option. If you want to autofill anything, you need to confirm with your fingerprint. Then only autofill option will work. So that is very interesting feature. Likewise, in Google Chrome Flags, there are so many features. You can try out that features. It will be interesting. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.